Hello and welcome to the Booksmart tutorial. So open the Booksmart app from the home screen. So click on the Booksmart app and then we'll look at the features up here. So this is search. You can click on search to find any book that you want to read, to find out if it's on the app. So that's the search. The second one, you click on to find the categories. So here are all the categories that are available. You can click on any of them to select books from those categories. The third is about the age of the child. So you can select the ages between 3 to 5 or 6 to 8, 9 to 12. So this will select books that are meant for children between those ages. And then the last icon, which is here, it's about the languages that you can read in. So we have English, Ewe, Fanti, Chi. So you can select any of them. If you want English, you just maintain the English. If you want Chi, you can click on it, and then it will select the books with those languages. So I'll go back to selecting English. Okay, so let's look at the menu down here. So we have home. Click on the home, and then it has all the books that you can have, and bedtime story, popular books, so a lot more. You can click on any of them, the new books, and then it will open all the books available. And so if you want to read a book, please click on the book. It will open for you, and then you start reading. Okay, so you start reading, and then when you are done, you swipe to the next page. Okay, so we will go back. We also have the description of the book. It gives you a summary of the book, and then the people who have been given credits, the author, publisher, and then that is it here. Okay, so we'll go back, and we have my library. So the books that you've started reading, you can find them here. You can click on them to continue reading from the page that you left from. Okay, and then the last is the menu. So you can go through your library, the language, anything you want to select here, you can do that. So we go back to the home screen, and this is a short tutorial on the Booksmart. Thank you.